equals your Conga 2290 won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The reason your Conga may not power up is usually due to a faulty battery that can't hold a charge anymore. By replacing the battery, we can restore its function and get your cleaner working again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.